Really just holding it. I think you might have had this tension for a little while, Tim.
I think you could be right.
Yeah. Something just leads me to that conclusion. Big breath. And again. Toe band. This is the upper little toe band now.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think there's something like that
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Spelled it go up.
Good, good. As I say, I think you're doing very well. Times some of these moves can be a little bit uncomfortable.
Just a little bit. That's another part of your dictionary.
Yeah.
It's definitely not a website.
Yeah.
Or a monster.
No. I think it's many years in Australia. You know where the people who are redheaded get called bluey here?
Yeah.
You know? I blame it on my many years in Australia. Not all Australians would want to take responsibility for that. There we go. Nothing like a bit of gentle persuasion. I encourage you to let go. Big breath. Again. There we go. Getting his next layer out. And we couldn't have done this last week, that's for sure. The tightness in there, I'm not sure if you can feel that at all, Tim. Yeah. If my comments do bring up any anger, just let me know. getting some clicks. Glad I'm doing this with a day kind of where I'm not working too hard tomorrow. Relax. Take it easy. Nothing to worry about. Just take a deep breath. And again, deep breath. That's a bit tight in there. Deep breath. Good. Catch your breath. Doing very well there, Tim. What's that? Because it seems like it's a little bit on the uncomfortable side of things.
Just a little.
Yeah. Well, big breath. Can you feel this spot here at all, Tim? Yeah. Just making sure. Just letting go. So nothing like it with a gentle persuasion. Let those muscles let go.
Gentle. Not the word would be awesome. I think they got all that on the picture of what.
That's right. That's right. Another from England, you know? Bit polite. Relax. together, sort of process. Doing very well. Doing very well. Especially this tension that's been obviously here for like a week.
And it's fucking hard.
Yeah, it's difficult. Yeah. No, I completely understand. Yeah. Very well. Was this your bad knee? That's it, that process. Oh, yeah.
Feels like jelly.
Yeah.
What it was.
Oh,
What is
yeah.
it?
Yeah, even like, yeah, you can feel the difference. Look at that, nice and soft toes. These are like still boing, like that doesn't want to move much. I mean, and this is after quite a few days, right? They were a lot worse. But yeah, definitely. Look at that, nice and soft. Well, it's nothing like a nice relaxing massage.
Essential massage.
That's right. Yeah, this is the sensual massage class here. That should be the title of the YouTube video.
Essential
How to do
massage,
sensual
yeah.
massage, yeah.